This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the F-117 for the mission. Pick a loadout that matches objectives. Once done, set external tanks only if you need extra range because they reduce maneuverability. Equip precision bombs for bunkers or missiles for point targets. This matters for strike timing and speed. Make sure flight performance and survivability modifications are active, and verify control sensitivity so you can nudge the stealth bomber precisely during attack runs and when evading fighters. You take off with calm, deliberate inputs, maintain lower climb angles to stay undetected by radar when possible. Once airborne, transition to a low to medium altitude ingress. This balances stealth and bomb delivery accuracy. Approach the target using map markers and the HUD. When you reach the calculated release point, reduce speed carefully and stabilize pitch. Release bombs or fire missiles inside the weapon envelope for reliable hits. Then immediately begin your egress plan, so you do not linger in hostile airspace. You complete the attack by executing a firm brake and using terrain masking to avoid pursuit. This reduces intercept windows. Make sure to monitor the radar warning receiver and altimeter. If you get a lock, dump external tanks to regain acceleration. If your ordnance misses, don't panic. Either circle back with a corrected approach using the previous release data or shift to standoff missiles if available. One troubleshooting tip: if lock warnings persist, change altitude and heading immediately to reset threat geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.